This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Ford Expedition. It features a 5.4-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, power adjustable driver pedals, a low tire pressure indicator, Sirius satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, a 4-wheel independent suspension, running boards, dusk sensing headlights, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. The Ford's pre-owned certification includes a 169-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Bushnell Ford is a full-service dealership that's been providing a superior sales, service, and body shop experience for over 35 years. We are located at 205 South Main Street in Lodi.